welcome back to the YVB Live Buzz Your Beast. And this is Season 2, Episode 4. And I am your host, Daryl. And today, we will be tackling about the challenges my business owner faced, which is getting a new team members up to speed quickly, especially when it comes to the tools you are using every day. So we all know the drill. You hire someone fantastic. But then when it comes to the time-consuming process of teaching them your CRM, how you manage your inboxes or were all those crucial spreadsheets live? But what if there is a better way? What if your next team member was day one ready, already trained in every tools you depend on? Well, as we continue our discussion on optimizing business operation, it's crucial to understand the practical application of these strategies and to provide us with deeper insights into a significant advantage of integrating team members who are immediately proficient with your existing tools. So we are pleased to welcome our guest speaker for today, no other than Aldwin Aquino. Hey Aldwin, how are you?
That's an excellent point, Daryl. A common hurdle when bringing new support onto a team is extensive training needed for your existing software. Every business relies on specific CRMs, project tools, and communication platforms. The Day One Ready concept directly addresses this. It's about bringing in someone already proficient in these widely used tools. This massively cuts down the initial ramp up, letting them understand your workflows and contribute faster because they're not letting the software basics at the same time. This capability is a huge advantage, especially when businesses source talent from specialized providers who pre-train individuals. You're not just hiring a person, you're gaining an immediate contributor who can integrate quickly, optimizing your process for instant value and drastically reducing your training burden. That's it for me today. Thank you for your time listening and see you again next week.
Wow, that was an awesome advice, Aldwin. Thank you so much. Well, optimizing integration for immediate value, that's exactly what businesses need, Aldwin. And imagine the instance of productivity boost when your team member can start working in your CRM or managing project without a lengthy training period. Exactly. So being day one ready isn't just convenient. It's essential for growth today. And thanks again, Aldwin, for this really great discussion. And thanks everyone who tuned in today. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, or tag another business owner who might need to hear this. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or X, and please do subscribe us to our YouTube channel to watch all of the episodes. And if you got another topic next time, comment below. And join us next time to empower your business to thrive. Until next time, keep buzzing and keep growing. Bye everyone. Happy weekend.